Time for me to get some sleep. I think that's yeah, let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. Fire's out. That means a bear is somewhere near. I think we're going to change flashlight to F and E to use. Whoa, whoa. There we go. Absolutely. And then this is what I love about StreamerBot. Yes. I'm not meaning to. Dun dun dun. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Man on the moon. If you believe they put a man on the moon. Oh wait, oh wait. Yes. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Been right for me. There we go. That's so much better. Oh, no more being brought into the. Is he gonna come back? Oh yeah, he's coming back. Oh yeah, he's mad. He's mad. What? Watch, watch. Watch him, watch him. Ah, yeah. Get out, fire. If this doesn't work, I'll go fuck myself with a rusty spoon. Can I contribute to Godot? The answer is yes. If you can contribute to an open source project, even if it's documentation, documentation is immensely important, and especially in open source. And you don't have to be a developer to do documentation. I highly, highly recommend if you can write some documentation for any open source project, do it. Even if you can review documentation, or if you're reading something and say this isn't quite right or there's some typos, fix it. I love the fact that there's a contributing button here. You know what's really... Oh, Daddy. God damn it. My balls. Thank you for following. Follow me wherever I go, my balls. And I appreciate that's about you. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh. No. Oh. Damn it. I'm gonna get you. Fine. I accept my fate. And dead. Sooty's revenge. Okay. And there it was. Brian got a guitar stream. Hey guys, yo, what's up? Ayo, hey, check this out. We're gonna go in and we're gonna make some trees today, yo. Don't forget to smash that subscribe. It's one copyright infringement. So I think I'll have a redeem to impersonate Foolbox. What the this is what I've published. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back. Happy whatever the hell day it is. Tuesday? Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. Now what? Now what? Everything. Why? Happy Tuesday. Hope y'all are doing well. Welcome in. Also, welcome to my friends on YouTube. I am streaming, dual streaming again. So hope that you find something enjoyable if you're watching over there. I also hope that you come over to Twitch where I'm actually monetized and have a chance of making your pennies. Munglo, hey yo, what's up? How you doing? Oh, gotta wake up, gotta wake up. I don't know why I'm so damn tired. For some reason, had a hard time sleeping the last couple nights. It's also, well, if you can see my corner down here, 2 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. Which, you know, since that's a messed up reason, that's another way of saying it. Fuck, it's cold out. Oh, so chilly. Yes, a little bit. So I want to do some things. We need to get the jam chat messages working the way that I want them to. Ooh, sure. Send me a screen. Send me a screen cap, not crap. Maybe I need to do some vocal warm-ups before I start streaming. Lemon face, lion face, arr. Lemon face, lion face, arr. Bitty 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 bum. I don't know what they are, but I'm terrified. I love it. Love it. Okay, so let me get some wake up juice here. What I want to do, I think that I might be overcomplicating. I'm definitely overcomplicating, but holy shit, I'm overcomplicating. Hold on. I'm still working on the chat thingies. Label 3D. Can I do a rich text label 3D? Of course not. Of course, it's only 2D. Of course, why wouldn't it be something simple like that? I thought I was overcomplicating. No, I'm doing it just right because it's not available to me. Yeah. Yep. No, I didn't see you got it working. Awesome. Congratulations. Today has been a hell of a day with work. Work has been really busy. Well, no, I'm not going to save it because there's nothing there. So let's look at the big part of what we're doing here. All right, we've got the container, and then shit happens here, and then the chat message itself. There's all the stuff right here. We do the remote texture, blah, blah, blah. Fill out the stuff, assemble the message. But everything goes into the message text here. Right, eventually everything becomes message text. So I'm gonna run this current scene. We're gonna get some dummy chats in here. Or not, or maybe I just ruined everything. Oh crap, I know what I did. Wrong scene, wrong scene. Here we go. Nope, that also is not going to work. Emil, bro, welcome in. Good to see you. Okay. Oh, right on, right on. I mean, I haven't done any of that stuff, but it's not undoable. The way that I have it is working pretty well. All right. And also, thank you for the chat message that I needed. I needed one a little bit longer than what we have. So let's look here. Okay. It's 46 by 138. Right. Oh, cool. That works. All right. So let's look at the last one. Last one down here. Panel container for 46, 138, 118, one. Yep. Okay. Okay. So then that means that, oh yeah, sub-viewport rendering is a pain in the ass. So here's what I'm considering doing. And I'll show you kind of what I'm wanting to do. But I'm having problems with the main part is actually getting the stuff into the viewport. Test this. Yeah, blah 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 blah. So this is kind of how I want chat to look. Something like that, okay? Right? So what we got is chat message 3D. And what I need to do. Ooh. A 3D box that floats up with the text in it. And I want it I want the size to adjust based on what the content is. Now, if we can get the sub viewport, this is going to be the first part of it. First, let's change that to chat message. Instead of chat message 3D, let's just change it to chat message. I don't care that it's not going to show up. I've already started that stuff. I know the direction I need to go here. Yep, I know. The problem is that it's not just an auto size. It is the fact that it has to be an auto size with a viewport texture and a 3D mesh. What the fuck just happened? Stop. My light is freaking out over here on me. Okay. So I'm not even going to worry about that. Add child chat message. No, okay. Chat message. On message received. We're going to start with this and then move from here. I know that it's not going to completely work. I accept that. All right, and then the chat container, we have a scroll container here. Instead of that, I've got the test chat, and we will put it under. We'll just call it coal shape for now. Coal shape. Okay. I know it's going to break, or it maybe not break, but I just want to make sure that I'm getting the data. Okay, we're getting the data. Well, I'm making it 3D and they're going to bounce around. Yeah. Okay. Boom. So we got all these panels. All these panels have sizes. Oh yeah, every message is going to be its own thing. Gamian, welcome in. How you doing, my friend? Welcome back. It's good to see you. All right. So we got that part. So here's how the flow needs to happen. As far as I can tell, as far as I can think, the message comes in. We create a container, a collision shape, which is what we have here. right? It'll be a rigid body. It'll have this. So once it's created, we basically need to do everything that we're already doing, but do it a level down. Okay. So before we get too far into it, hold on. Yeah, whatever. Latest and greatest before I go breaking stuff. Great. Now CP is CP a copy here? There. Now we have a backup. Now we have a backup plan. Okay. Panel. No. What kind? Where's that? What? Panel container. Panel container. Mrs. Container here. Boom. Move all that there. Change type is going to be a rigid body. 3D. Oh, this is making it all kinds of weird, right? This is just messing with everything, isn't it? Now what? Okay, yeah, that's fine. Corfless, yes. Kick some ass. What are you do you know what the theme is yet, or have they not announced it? I personally can't do jams. Can't do jellies either. Preserves are a possibility. But marmalade, just out. I don't do marmalade. No, that's where I draw the line. Ah. Oh yeah, so I'll show you. Hold on, let me get to. Okay, I'll show you what we're doing. So you see this outline? This is going to be where the chat messages will live. So chat's going to bounce up, have like a 10-second lifespan. Ruben, welcome back. And congrats on being first. 30 minutes in. That's pretty par for the course. So yeah, I've got this little container right up in y'all, right up y'all, and I didn't abandon it. It's on hiatus while I do some new things and learn more. I was just talking to somebody else about this, how I need to come back to it, or how I want to come back to it, how I need to. Ooh, that's. I can't seem to get my face looking right, and I know. You know, there's jokes there. There's jokes there. I get it. Um, but tis. No, what I mean is, I mean, look, I'm looking a little green around the gills here. A little green around the gills. We gotta fix the chroma key. But chroma key's been so weird here lately. And I don't want it to where we can see through my hat. That's even worse, in my opinion. Don't go round tonight, 'cause it's bound to take your life. There's a bathroom on the right. Ah, okay. Yeah, so bill reduction. Okay, I'm not worried about that one. It is more the smoothness, I think. The smoothness. I think one option, what we could do, we could use some finities. Um, am I looking transparent? Oh, I'm definitely looking transparent there. Um, there's a good color. There's a good color. I mean, you know, my conspiracy theory here is that Nvidia and and OBS are in cahoots. They're cahooting with each other. They're colluding that they want you to stop using green screens. They have a vengeance against Elgato right now. They want you to stop using green screens. They want to get rid of chroma key altogether. They just want you to buy Nvidia cards, all the Nvidia cards, all the Nvidia cards, all the Nvidia cards, just so you can do the Nvidia background removal, so you don't need the chroma key anymore. So Elgato can't sell you the green screens anymore. That's it, Ruben. That's it. And at the top, fucking Bezos, Jeff Bezos, right there. Yeah, hopefully I'm not still transparent. I can't really tell until I do this. Well, I can't see through myself, so that's good. Yes, so the chat container is going to be this thing right here. Just a bit green. I'll take it. I mean, we could do a little bit more. Damn it! Yeah, I did say something. Filters. All right, chroma key. Let's turn it off. Hmm. Okay. And then what do we do? We need to do a composite blur. Composite blur. Yeah, hang on. Okay, it's M. Ah, definitely not that. Ooh, ooh. Bum. Okay, I think that did it. I think that'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Or will I can't really tell any difference. Yeah, let's just get rid of it and let's not concentrate on this. Let's just go back to what we were doing. Go back to what we were doing here. Before I forget what we're doing here, because it's very common for me to forget. Because I am, in fact, forgetful as fuck. All right. So back here. Back to the chat message. Back to the chat message. Got this. Now we're going to collision shape. Right, collision shape is going to be, I want to move it up here, and then I want the shape to be box. I want it to be a box shape. Ruben, well, have a good night's sleep, good night rest. It's good seeing you again. Take care. Take care. Well, not the same bed. That's good to know. That's good to know. Thank you for clarifying that. I was slightly concerned, but not overly. I mean, whatever y'all do. Let's see, 413, 161, 4.13, 1.61. 4.13, 1.61. Just a cool normal amount of concern. Exactly. How you doing, second favorite? How you doing? It's good to see you. Excuse me. Blender for your game. Right on. Vinny, what is the deal anywhere? Really? I mean, really? What is the deal? Welcome in, my friends. So good to see you. Mesh. 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 We're going to do a new box mesh here as well, and we're going to have the size be exactly the same, which was... Go, mesh instance. Now here's what we need. Here's what we need. We need a viewport. We need a viewport. And we need to make a viewport texture. That's right. Lonely, 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 lonely time. Here we go. Now. 413.161. 413.161. Somebody remember that for me. If you don't remember that for me, you hate me. Who remembered that? Did everybody remember that? I'm really concerned. Whoa, hello. Render target. Clear mode. So how we doing here, folks? Seems to me that there's entirely a potential for this to... Yes, go wade into the Gulf of America. God damn, I fucking... What the hell? Statistics updated. Ooh. My statistics have updated? My statistics have updated. I am, yeah. I have no words. I mean, there's no way about it. I have no words. Flip faces. Nope, I'm not doing that. Okay, so I thought we were doing something here, but I was wrong. So if I made this 41.3, okay, so that wouldn't even matter. I think what matters here is this. Wait a minute. Vidya, just the general state of the world right now. Um okay, so why is it so difficult to get it to line up? If I have it like this, now the problem here is the material. It's almost two. It's almost two. It's got to be like 2 point. Whoa, what the hell did just happen there? Good God. So Vidya, the problem is that I need the size to be dynamic. What I want to do is I'm going to take the transform, at least here's what in a perfect world I'd be able to do. Perfect world. I'm not saying that it's a perfect world. Far fucking from it. But I want it to be dynamic sized so that the size of the message in here can determine the size of the collision shape and mesh instance. But I want, so billboards would work in some aspects, but not for this. Not for this. Astria, favorite coding language. Pig Latin. Or Mario C. No, Arnold C. Arnold C would have to be my favorite. I'm not saying it's the most practical, but if you're, asking me what my favorite one is, Arnold C, because it is fun to read. So Vinny, I will show you the whole goal here is I want chat to end up looking like this, but it is choosing to not let me show off. Stop it. What was it saying? Email handler. Oh, some bitch. Where? What script are we looking at here? Live or Die, what's up? God damn it. There. Van the Man, what's up? Welcome in, Pigorly. It's good to see you. My beard is looking beard delicious. I appreciate that, I think. I do need to, I need a haircut and a beard cut. I'm just trying to demo something here. I'm just trying to show, oh, God damn it. Just trying to show something off. I'm just trying to show what the general idea is going to be here.
Hey, insert rating streamer's name here.
Goldenators home!
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? No! Everything's broke. Everything's broke. Why? Why is it breaking? Why is it breaking? There it is. Okay. All right. That didn't work nearly the way it should have. Welcome in, Raiders. Holden, how was your stream? Did you get through? Was it no, it wasn't watching long. You're doing Alan Wake tonight, right? If you're still here, if you're not, I completely get it. You got the little one to take care of. But yeah, welcome in, Raiders. For those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I do web development. I'm also doing game development. I'm trying to make a studio, a virtual studio that is loosely inspired, no, heavily inspired. There's no loosely about it. I'm ripping off Space Ghost Coast to Coast. Basically, that's what we're getting at. Is I'm completely stealing Space Ghost Coast to Coast. With the exception that I'm putting myself in a TV because, well, I just can't pull off the tights. Oh, yeah. MCG, thank you for the stretch. Appreciate that. I think that I got the right stuff. Maybe not quite. Maybe not quite. Oh, this is gonna. Seriously, it's gonna pull this shit? You're gonna pull this shit? It's just deciding that, wow. Wow. Pro streamer here. That's much gooder. That is the gooder we're looking for. For the Holdenators coming in here, RIP Ashley. Never forget. Never forget. Never. So basically what I'm building here is the attempt at a virtual studio. Hilaire, welcome in. Good to see you. Rip Ashley. Rip everybody. Rip sanity. So yeah, I am hoping to make this very, very space ghosty when all is said and done, to the point that I have a goal. I have a goal down at the bottom where you may see it come across, the Brack goal, the Brack Fund, because I would like to get Andy Merrill, voice of Brack, who is last I saw, as of April of last year, I believe it was delivering packages for Amazon, which pisses me off to no end. That a voice of my formative, of my teen to early 20s years, comedic genius who helped create Space Ghost Coast to Coast, a show that I've loved for years, is delivering fucking packages for Amazon. But he's doing cameos, and I'd like to get see if I can get some voices for the stream on that. But now what I'm trying to do is figure out a way to do a 3D chat message. Now, I don't think that's the one that I wanted. The problem that we're running into is that I'm having a hard time getting the text to fit correctly here, but I want this to be a resizable, a dynamically resizable thing, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. If not, I'm not explaining it right, and that's on me. Hey, he's gonna sit by you. Another one rides the bus. Okay, I don't think I could set the 0.25 maybe. No, that didn't do a damn thing. Maybe not. Triplanar. No. 2. Pagorli, I have. Whoa, and he landed in the pool with that too. That is pretty impressive. Oh, we got a message over on the tubes. No, it's just me. It's just me. Potentially. Yep, it's just me spamming myself on the tubes. I really don't know how I can do anything about this. But yeah, I was thinking that I need some more emotes, some animated emotes. And of course, the first thing that comes to mind is I need emotes of twerking. But I don't want to. Okay, so we're not getting this figured out. The other option is to have a set size and then just throw shit at there. And if the text is too big, then so be it. Then tough titties, right? And that's not what I want to do, though. Because there is a chance that the message could be Pagorli, I don't know what these feelings are inside of me right now with the combination of those emotes, but I thank you for for unlocking them. Now, the goal here, I mean, that's going to change. I'm assuming, I'm hoping, 413, yeah, 218. So what I'm wanting to happen here is when it gets to that point is we now change it to 18 so that it fits the text that's in there. But I don't know if this is going to work. I don't know. I wish it would. I mean, this... Is there anything I could do UVs with here? Oh, no. UV tool? UV tool? Various tools to manipulate UVs. Let's try it. Has anybody used this? Has anybody tried this out? Probably not. But folks, you can see.
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
All right, thank you for all that, Pigorly. Oh, I'm over here just rocking out AC/DC on my own because I had the volume down so damn low. You've done it in the visual. Oh, I guess I could do it in Visual Shader, but I want it. It gets weird, right? It gets weird because I think I might have to manipulate it multiple times over or do some funky Cole Medina. But don't mind me, I'm simple. All right, ads are going to be starting up. All right, words on stream coming up. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. I'll be back. Let's recharge it. Go take a look at our billboard. Do the walk loop, make sure. Taking a step. Ooh. Watch me strut. Ooh. Here I'm a bear. Ooh. Got a big butt. Ooh. My name's Sooty. Ooh. For me to get some sleep, I think that's okay. And there it was. Brian got a guitar string. We're just gonna hunt down our good boy here. Second favorite. You tried, and that's why you're my first favorite. All right, so we're gonna try this. Let's take a look and see what it should be here. What if? No, because that just stretches it. No, that yeah. Transparent? No, let's not transparent it. The dog does demand. Make it quick. Make it urgent. Qu'est-ce que c'est? 413, 218. 413, 218. Okay, so this protocube isn't really doing what I was hoping it would do. Add a protocube. Scale the cube, you see the cube projection update, so the texture tiles. I don't really want it to tile though. I want it to. Okay, so this isn't exactly what we're thinking. Okay, so the protocube is a proto pain in the ass. What kind of mesh is this? Array mesh? That's not doing it. That's not doing it for me. Okay, so what this boils down to is I don't think I can do a viewport texture and have it shape or have it size. Now let's see if I can do it using a visual shader. Why the hell not? Why the hell not? I don't think so though, because it's gonna. Are we gonna have to do math to make sure that it lines up with the UV, even if we extend or if we embiggen the UV? Are we gonna have to do something there? Does that make sense at all? Let me see. Can I Gorley, you were more than happy to redeem some stuff, which I thank you for. I do thank you for. But now help me. Please help me. All right. Well, that's fine. That's fine. Because all right, so here's the problem. If we can even call it that. All right, if we can call it a problem. I don't know if we can. Maybe, why not? Let's pretend. Excuse me. Let me fix this really quick. All right, so it's hard to see it. Maybe I should move the sun. There. Now we can see it. Okay, see it a little bit better. Right. These are the same thing here. All right. So this mesh or this, what I want to have happen is I want the text. I want the size of the mesh here to scale with the size, with the amount of text that's in here. I mean, if we look at my chat right now, the green boxes, this is just a good one to display a few things there, right? So okay. So if you look at my chat now, right, all of them are different sizes based on the amount of text that's in the box. And I want that same effect. However, if I scale the box here to match that, the UVs are going to remain the same, and the texture isn't going to accommodate that, if I'm understanding correctly. So regardless of if the shape is this or like this, yeah, exactly like what I'm doing here, and then we'd have to do some like magic stuff in here to try and get the scale correct, I think. Now 4.13 2.18. And that doesn't line it up. And I was hoping that it might, but regardless, it's going to. So this might not even work at all, regardless of what I do. Because even if I make the box here, 525, yeah, it's just going to scale regardless. And then we'd have to do some magic math to make sure that the content fits within the existing UVs. And I don't think that's going to happen. Shit. Pagorli, does that make sense? Do I sound like I'm on the right track of being wrong here? And I'm thinking this might be why Connie did their chat the way that they did it. Also, anybody who came in with a raid, if you got questions about what I'm doing, ask away. And if you haven't followed me yet, feel free to drop a follow. I know it's been a little bit. It's been a few minutes. Did I? Well, fuck me. I didn't shout out Holden when he came in. Pagorli, the main reason is because I need a rich text label, and there is no rich text label 3D. That's the big thing, is I need a rich text label. Yeah, it's going to be in 3D space. At least that's what I'm thinking. I mean, Connie has a good one, but I wanted the sizes to be dynamic. If it won't work that way, I get it. I understand. It's not going to work that way. Whatever. So be it. Where did the mesh texture? Container width is always the same. Yes, container width is always the same. But I just don't think NVIDIA. I'm glad you're optimistic, but I'm thinking it's going to be diminishing returns by the time we actually figure it out. I mean, it was one thing to get chat or to get emotes in chat. We got animated GIFs. Which is great. But the second that I change, what I was planning on doing is taking the dimensions from this 413, 218, just depending on the text, right? It's going to be 413 pixels, but depending on the text, it could be larger, it could be smaller in the y-axis. I was going to take that, move that over to here. But even if I do that, if I transform this, if I change the box size to say 3.5, right? It's the UVs aren't going to change, so we're going to have to like rescale within the UVs to make the change in text fit. And here's an example of that. Like, right, so okay. Now the container is 378. If I take the mesh instance, see, it doesn't do anything about the extra stuff below. Anything below the cutoff. So what we'd have to do to make it even come close to fitting is getting into the material. And if I'm completely wrong on this, I'm going to do 1-to-1. Oh, what size was it? 378. Well, maybe, oh shit, maybe I'm not wrong. Or maybe I am wrong about being wrong. Because if we then go back to the 3D view, by changing the subviewport size to match that. Okay, let's test this again. Test this again. If I can get the UVs close. Okay, that's about as close as we're gonna get, right? Okay, so let's then look at the message text. Delete a couple lines here. Go back to 3D. All right, message container. The subviewport. Nope. Message container is going to be 278. 278. That was an easy 100 pixels. This could work. This actually could work. Okay, that. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Cool. Wow, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that. Then we go back to the message container just to see the size, 378. .378 fits it, and then the same here. We need to just, and it's not deformed. This could work. This legitimately, each chat will have its own viewport. Yes, because each one is going to have its own message container. I think we got it. Okay, so here's our chat container, our previous chat container. You're right. I just wasn't thinking about it the right way, or I was making assumptions. So Pagorally, two things with that. If I stored an image of the texture, then the animated emotes wouldn't animated. And the other is I'm gonna have a timer, a lifespan of 10 to 15 seconds, somewhere in there. So when the message bloop pops up, has a 15-minute lifespan, and then it'll disappear. I'm not thinking ahead. I'm thinking way behind. Way behind. All right. Let's see what we can do here. Yeah, the test chat. Okay, I know what the problem is here. Let's look at the 3D. All right, the issue here is that the collision shape was made from a different box. Which is fine. We're going to add in new box mesh. We'll size it here. 5. 15. Yeah, that's good. And then 0.1. No, 0.3. There we go. There we go. Now outline mesh. What you yelling about now, right? Okay, okay. Wait a minute. Do I have a camera? I have a camera. I'll be damned. I've got a camera. I still don't like the shortcut keys because they are not Blender enough for me. There isn't one video, but just for you, just for you. You know, hell with it. There, there. Commit your shit. Back up your shit. Use Git. Okay. So the what's it going to be a child of? Is it going to be a child of the static body? No, no. It should just be a child of the Node 3D, right? Shit. Which one should? I think it should be a child of the static body. What the fuck did I say? Sorry, sorry, sorry. That is my fault. Commit your shit. Use version control. All right. We don't mean to be, you know, Git centric here. Okay. So yeah, I think static body. Ah, shit. What do I want it to be a child of? Wait, no. This is fine. This is fine. Everything is fine. Nope. I'm gonna do this. I mean, so for testing purposes, we're going to do it here because anything that spawns by default is going to spawn at 0, 0 of the parent object. So I can put it in Node 3D, right? Right. So let's look at this. First things first. Chat message instantiate, and this is going to be this chat message. We've got all this stuff here on ready. Then we're going to check for the emotes, and it should set all the data in here. Ooh, okay, okay. Signals to pass up. Get this shit out of here. You know, first things first, let's just see if we can get one to pop. All right. Just see if we can get one to pop up. Doesn't look like it, but Ooh, it might be on the inside here. Okay, okay. Okay. So we're seeing that it does exist here. What about the panel? Oh, it's still going. It is still going. Where are you at? Come on, come on. Come on down, come on down. Let's see. Where the hell are you? I should have seen that coming. Fallen, what is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? Good to see you. D4? D4? What's D4? Diners, drive-ins, and dives? Debunked? You know the best part of this whole project? Diablo. The best part of this whole project is that occasionally when I go to the file system, somebody's down there, and just like Rockwell, I always feel like somebody's watching me. This is Out of Control. Welcome in. Good to see you. How you doing? I always feel like Picori's watching me. Oh. Needs to be a vector 3. My bad, y'all. My bad. My bad. Okay, so this is where we run into problems, and this is where I was running into problems before. Now we get the panel, we get the mesh instance, but and the mesh should be showing this. It should be. But instead I'm seeing pink. Why am I seeing pink? All right, we're gonna have to swap screens really quick here. Yep. And that means I'm not going to see chat too well, but do that. So why? Let's try another one here with a change. Okay, so they are bumping into each other, but I don't know why I'm seeing just pink. When looking at the mesh instance, never mind, because I'm not actually setting the thing there. It's going back to the default, which doesn't really exist now, does it? So this is where we are wanting things, but or where we were needing to make some changes, right? Okay, pass data down, signal data up, right? Pass data down, signal data up, pass data down, signal data up, right? Because what we're going to need to signal up to the panel here is when the text is ready in the message container, right? When all this is done, which will be right here. Message completed. I've got one here. And assembled message. Message text item text equals final message. I'm just going to do a return true here so we can do assemble message. Await assembled message. Ah. Okay. So we're going to do message completed emit self. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do this. Okay. So we're still going to pass it up. Or do we even need to? Because here's this. We need something to signal that the text of this message has been completed. That it is now. Whoa!
Insert rating streamer's name
Big
here.
raid from Lana.
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Whoa! Pandar! Pandar, welcome in. Welcome in, everybody.
We reached our
Lana,
sub
how was
point
the stream?
goal of
How
50.
were you working on?
Thank
Or
you,
how
everyone.
was everything you were working on? I think I'm still lurking. Am I a raider in my own stream now? welcome in raiders. Lana, if you got anything you want to share, please by all means. Also Pandar. 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 Wow. I thank you. I think, you know what? That deserves a hat switch. That's right. I'll do this because y'all are doing amazing stuff. Ooh, we're getting some follows too. Appreciate you all. Also, thank you for the compliment on the raid alert. I've worked hard on that, and it will be coming. Special hat. It will be even better. So raiders coming in, for those of you who don't know me, I'm JD. I don't always wear a silly hat, but when I do, it's for you. I'm normally a web dev during the day. That's my day job, but I'm doing stuff with the Godot game engine. Don't hate me for it. I know that you came from Lana's. Much respect for everything Unity there. What I'm working on is a virtual studio heavily inspired by Space Ghost Coast to Coast. And when I say heavily inspired, I mean I am completely ripping it off. 100% just stealing from Space Ghost Coast to Coast. So right now, it's going to have me at a desk on a TV. Pay no attention to my chat container that's hanging out there, but it does work. Nature's Tuck. Yes, there is a Brack fund because Andy Merrill, the voice of Brack, is on Cameo. And I would love to get him on for some stream alerts. But I will show you a little bit about, or with what we're doing here. All right. Oh, I've got my debug stuff on. Hold on. Let's turn off the collision shapes real quick. And try it again. Audio, how did you get two? How did you get two critters? Now, the problem that I've run into is that the spout cam, which is how I get quite a bit of stuff, occasionally breaks. It just likes to break on me. What is going on here? So I have to do the occasional update. And of course now it's going to break. Oh, it's going to do that every time just with the... because we're in the middle of working on chat. Let's see, let's get this right thing here. There we are. So this is what the goal is. When all is said and done, we're going to have this kind of studio. Everybody, when they chat, gets their own little critter, is what we're calling it. It's currently a little bit broken because of some errors working on chat here. Pandar, like I said, yeah, this is Infinity Rich. Welcome in. So yeah, the chat part of it is currently broken. But I think if I go back to the base scene here, I think we can disable it maybe. Ooh, that's not good. We can disable the chat container, I hope, or comment out that part that's causing issues. Oh no, now I'm getting to, oh, I think I know why I'm getting to, because I have the streamer bot firing 2. Double your pleasure, double your fun, temporarily. Oh. And let me then swap you. And yeah, so right now I've got, I'm using StreamerBot as a as middleware between Godot and everything else, literally everything else: Twitch, YouTube, Kofi, Patreon. Subtle hint there, subtle hint. Tricky Lady, welcome in. How you doing? So everything is getting Van the Man. Oh, it's getting crowded in here, and it's all because of this. It's all because of this StreamerBot socket. I think either that one or this one. Yeah, it's got to be this one because I was testing with that. So let me just get rid of that node real quick. My favorite villain, I don't know who my favorite villain is, but my favorite villains are the ones who don't think that they're wrong. They're the villains who honestly believe that they are doing the right thing. Because those are the ones who are the most dangerous. Right? Give you one. Dr. Horrible. Dr. Horrible. He literally believed that he was doing the right thing by upsetting the status quo. So yeah, Pandar, you mentioned this has some Space Ghost vibes. That's exactly what I'm going for, and I'm glad that you recognize that. I also have for when eventually, and it's a little ways off, but when alerts happen, we're going to have a TV that drops in where the alerts show off. So the raid alert that we saw before will drop down and be on that TV. And I'm working on another TV for guests if anybody wants to stop in and do a stream together type thing. Then that's part of what I'm hoping to accomplish too. Yes, Tricky. Joss Whedon, I know there are some problematic things there. Unfortunate. But it's hard to hate something that it's hard to, it's good to be able to separate the artist from the art if you can. He also wrote Buffy, he also wrote Firefly, Serenity, so many good things, so many things. He had some, but there are some issues. I don't know the full details. I don't want to assume. Also, I'm getting like rubbed funny on my forehead. There. I mean, yeah. So folks, coming in with the raid, this is my primary focus right now. I'm also working on I'm giving a talk in a month in Florida in the US, on how to connect a website, a web content management system into Godot. And the talk is all about managing content in a website and updating it in real time. So, and the way that I give talks anymore, I've put together a platform presentation. Yeah, it's always something in Hollywood. There was something about the way he was treating people on set. But my presentations are in the form of a platformer game, where instead of clicking through on a PowerPoint like normal, this is my clicker and I play a game in front of people, and I regret nothing. All right, so let's stop that for now, and let's look back at the chat message. Test chat. Don't even need the mesh instance at all. We just need the box itself, right? Okay. So I'm gonna hide that, which will work. Now in here, what did I change here? Okay. Now what? Static body. Failed to correctly scale body. It doesn't help that it didn't say which body I'm not scaling correctly. I'm not seeing any warnings. Maybe in the debugger. Did I build shape? Just tell me which one it is. Wait, what? Oh, hey. Wait, what? Oh, that's the okay. So the chat message here. When everything's done on this side, should we signal to itself? Or I feel like that would be the best. Or we await the assemble message, and then we do all of the shape stuff. Resize. Viewport. All right, so what we're going to do here is we're going to resize the viewport, and the viewport we're resizing is this sub viewport. And what we're going to do by resizing it is again, I can't thank you enough, Lana. If you're still around, or anybody come from Lana's raid, thank you so much for bringing the community over here. I appreciate you all so much. It means a lot to me. Y'all are great. Y'all are absolutely amazing. The increase in follows, the 5 gift subs just out of nowhere. Pandar, you are. I owe you, my friend. I owe you. I'm so glad that you're here. Not just because of the subs. Just, you know, I like having good people around. Okay, so we'll not do that. We'll resize the viewport. We need to resize the sub viewport. We need to get that size from the message container. All right. So do we have message container here? No, we don't. Let's add a unique name here. Okay, print debug message container. Message container size. A little bit about. Whoa! What did I just do? What did I just do? Let's look at the 2D. I think I just broke it. All right. Label. Yep. Stop that. Do that, and then message text. Great. And then message container is oddly not right. Um, 14. And definitely not that wide. Oh God, tricky. Thank you. Sometimes a good overlay just likes to do that. It's like, hey, get this face out of here. What are you ruining perfectly good thing for here? 378, 413. There we go. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Okay, so in my test chat here, we do need some sun. Ooh. Room Devane, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Hope you're doing well. I appreciate you being here. Where is my directional light? Oh. Boom. Point it right at this thing. Right there. Turn off the mesh instance there. Save it. Okay. So we got the message container size. We want to see if it changes. That's a big thing. I want to see if it changes after the message is assembled. So we can await assembled message because we need to return something. We're returning true. So the fact that we're returning something will allow it to await until that happens. Now I'm gonna not do the message complete here. Instead, we're going to do resize viewport. No. Resizing the viewport there. Now, let's just check to make sure. We're going to add the child chat message. It should do all the things. It should bring in the new one. And the goal is now Hold on. Dirt cheap. Dirty deeds done dirt cheap. Why are these things even still here? Just get through the add-ons. Critic here. Well, that certainly is an emote. You know, I've been trying to think of which ones I want to do. That might be a dance that I can do for an emote. We'll see. We'll see. All right, ads are starting up. I'm gonna turn on words. Word. So please, hang out, play some words. I'll be back in about 3 minutes. All right, we're back. We're back. Let me hide this. Let me hide that. Welcome in, Woger. So good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Guess I could shut off my who's it? My mod view from from getting rated in here. Whoa, what the hell? Well, it's not really. I mean, look, it's -2 degrees here, and with a wind chill of 14 below zero, there's no hanging, it's hiding. Oh, wait. Pro Puke, welcome in. First time chat, glad to see you. Yeah, so I've got a green screen. I don't use the NVIDIA background removal, and I've got a little ring light down below just to as kind of a fill light. And occasionally I kick it over. Occasionally, not too often. All right, so I want to see if we get to this resize viewport, and when we get here, I want to see if we're getting the updated size. So the default size is something like 413, 378. Let's test it out. No, we aren't getting it. Wow, it is giving a huge size. Huge. What song is that you're... Not a bad idea. You know what? Let's I think I will like what this sounds like. Okay, so we're not getting the size that I'm expecting. Let's swap back over here and take a look at the remote. And I also want to check, gotta check over here to see anybody on YouTube. So Tricky, one of my favorite songs to do at karaoke is Prisoner of Society by The Living End. But not a ton of places have it, which is really odd. Okay, so this is, all of these are getting the size here. Okay, we're awaiting that. Assemble message, message item text equals final message, return true. See, I'm missing out by not having my own twerking emote. That's all there is to it. Let's see, that the panel container is that panel container. So I could do heading wrapper plus panel container equals but I would much rather have ooh, Peaceful Programmer, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. I hope you're doing well. I appreciate you. Where did my nope, that's not it. Oh, it's right here. What the hell? What the hell? Peaceful Programmer, thank you. I'm glad that you're here. I hope you're enjoying it. If you have any questions about what I'm doing, please feel free to ask. I love talking about what I'm doing, even if I don't know what I'm doing. But we are sitting on a weird issue here, right? I'm gonna do. Okay, wait a second here. Wait a second. So what are the differences between message text item? Where message text item is the message text there. All right, that makes sense. That makes sense. I think I know what's going on. I think I'm circulated. I don't have the song request though. But I do have it on Punk Radio now. I do have it on the Rancid Radio. So Peaceful Programmer, what I'm doing right now is I'm rebuilding my stream setup and I'm rebuilding it in a game engine. Yeah, I manually put it on last time because it's Rancid. It was good. But that doesn't mean I'm going to be at your beck and call for every song that you want to play. I'll try to accommodate if I can, but big but. That's fair. That is a safe assumption, but it's wrong. So Peaceful Programmer, what I'm doing is I'm trying to build a studio type setup based and inspired by Space Ghost Coast to Coast. And it's within Godot. Yeah, living all the way across the ocean, other side of the planet, right? Bunch of jerks we are. So the goal is to have a full-on studio, a full set of emotes, not emotes, but interactions, a full chat setup, basically replace everything. You found out you're rich? Right on. Congratulations. Mr. Elfman, welcome in. So yeah, I don't mind Windows 11, and WSL2 has a lot of really good improvements. But Peaceful Programmer, I'll show you my layout as it sits now. Well, if it wasn't obvious by by the screen here, outer space. So yeah, everything here is in Godot. Let me, no, wrong one. Do. So yeah, and then everybody gets their own little character running around on the bottom there when they chat. So what I would like to have, Tricky Lady, the US, Midwest, but what I want to do eventually is get rid of all of this stuff and have it living within Godot here. You take it off. Well, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you hanging out. So right now, the thing that I'm working on is trying to get chat in 3D to scroll up, but I'm having some difficulties, and I think I know what some of the difficulties might be. And I've got a very, very good feeling about what they might be. And I think it might be because of the rendering of emotes or the lack thereof. So that's why I want to check to see these messages, what they're actually saying. So Mr. Elfman, there is a way to do it. If you're on desktop right now, if you're on desktop, you might see a little red dot over the video. Let me do this. Let me go here. I don't want my damn mod view. All right, so I turned on the heat, and you can see that there are going to be little Godot things popping all over where I'm clicking. So eventually, I would like to get it to where when you click, your character will move somewhat in that direction. Now, the hard part's going to be converting 2D to 3D. So say that, you know, you're here and you click like right here. Then, I mean, you might expect it to move to that block. Or if you click here, you might expect it to move to that block. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do, yeah, raycast intersection, take the normal, yeah. It's not bad. I mean, it would be, the only thing I could do is get the XY from Godot, or from Twitch. Let me see if I could turn off the collision shapes there. But yeah, there. Mr. Elfman, that's not a bad idea, but you're finding your way into the scope creep bin. I love ideas. I love new ideas, but I want to finish out what I'm what I'm working on. I should create that and have like a scope creep bin where I just toss somebody's critter into it, like a penalty box. Ooh, I just scope creep myself with the scope creep bin. All right, so what I need here, under this panel, debug, magic container. Pro Puke, Crazy Taxi, or Tony Hawk Pro Skater. So, Mr. Elfman, this one, I mean, I've got the base set up for it already. I don't know. Do I have a command for that? I'm not sure. Let's see. Nope, that's not the right thing. Let's see. Command. There it is. So I've got the very base starter kit for it. And what I've got in there is the StreamerBot connection. I'm using StreamerBot for everything. And the reason I'm doing that is because I can do a single WebSocket connection to StreamerBot and let StreamerBot, as long as I'm logged in on StreamerBot, I can let StreamerBot handle all the things happening around, right? So I do one connection, I subscribe to all the events that I want from the WebSocket server on StreamerBot, and I immediately have Twitch, YouTube, Kofi, everything. And just an example of all the things that we have, you can see this large section here. Let's do a little boom. Just the Twitch events, follow tier, resub, blah, 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 blah. Community goal, update, prediction, everything, raid, all of these. Now, if you've ever tried to work with the Twitch API, the PubSub, Helix, whatever, it's a pain in the ass, right? No two ways about it. It is a pain in the ass to work with. You need a library, and you have to hope that the library has been up to date or is up to date enough to not destroy you, or on the inside, I mean. But, and that's just for one API. Now, say that you want to hook up your Stream Elements tipping, if you're using that. It's already connected. If you want to hook up YouTube to say, hey, I'm dual streaming on YouTube, or and see if you get it, if you manage to get monetized, if you're one of the lucky few who managed to get monetized, excuse me one second. Then membership gifts and supers and things like that. Or if you get a Kofi donation, you can get that. Patreon, OBS, Streamlabs desktop. But why would you use that? Fourth wall, if somebody buys something from you, you can put all of that shit from one WebSocket connection. So I'm subscribing to absolutely everything, and you can kind of see it when I have the thing running, that I get a lot of notifications and stuff down there. And even custom. This one specifically that I'm highlighting is a custom WebSocket event that I'm getting whenever somebody chats, so that I can get their profile picture to put on the TV of a critter. So I do have that. Peaceful Programmer, thank you for the sub. Much appreciated. Wow, that really means a lot to me. Thank you. Tonight has been amazing. I can't thank all of you enough. This has been a great night. Dabpool is here too. That makes it even better. Bringing back the 90s. Remember that beloved beer commercial? What's up? Back up a little bit. Backing it up. Backing it up. Backing it up. Backing it up. Backing up. Backing it up. No, I can't go any further. Otherwise, I'll be on the green screen. So yeah, if you use StreamerBot, which I suggest that anybody who's streaming should use it. I can also pimp out, stream up. Oh, Deadpool, I was just talking about my StreamerBot WebSocket or StreamerBot connection. Do I have a stream up? No, I need that. But yeah, I'll create a command for that. But our friend Andy Lippy and Terrier Darts work on StreamUp, which is it's an OBS plugin and a collection of all kinds of shit. Like a lot of the effects that I have, this little widget bar that I have down at the bottom here, a lot of my redeems, those all come from Streamer or StreamUp. But the really killer thing about it, while I'm pimping it out, is that I have my own stream pulled up next to me, which is messing with my head. Because I keep seeing myself move. But the real killer thing with it is, one, you could install products and everything here just from the menu. You could check for updates, and it'll, even when you open up OBS, it'll tell you, hey, these things need to be updated, which helps out a lot with keeping things straight. And the other thing that I mean, it's a great product. I can't recommend it enough. See, where is the plugin installer v2? So check this out. What panic thing, Deadpool? Sorry if I forget. But with StreamUp plugin installer, which is free. Oh, kernel panic. I wanted to make a bad joke about, yeah, they work with general anxiety, right? But but if you want to download and install a shitload of OBS plugins all at the same time, like, you can get the required ones for StreamUp to work, you get recommended, you can get all the above, or you can just get everything. I wouldn't get everything because I could really slow shit down. But you just hit download, then you move them over into your OBS folder, and you got them all. That's all there is to it. I can't say enough nice things about StreamUp. And Andy and Terrier Darts aren't here, so I'm not just doing it because they're around. Temple, I'm sorry that you're dealing with the kernel panic. I don't know enough about OS level shit. Okay, so why is it Yeah, 29. Thank you for the follow. Hope you're doing well. Appreciate you. So why is it going to 5218? There is no reason for it to be that. I wish there was a visual inspector that I could just, like... No problem. No worry about a long intro. Kent, I have no idea what you just said. I would request that you speak English. in the chat, just so, because I have no idea. Okay, so this is so weird. Now, the test chat on the chat messages, message container size. Why is it just, oh, is it because of the expanding? Let's see. Let's go back to the local here and maybe. No, that's doing it. Nothing there. Nothing there. Any clue what this might, or what might cause this? Well, let's look at the message container. Fine, that could be whatever. But the message wrapper might be the one. Might be what we need. All right. I don't know if this will work because there were changes here. Yeah, I didn't think so. Ubuntu's good. Ubuntu's good. I mean, I might be a little bit biased, but Max 413. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Or should I wait another frame? Because the size of the size here, let's look at the documentation. Size. Is it size flags? No, 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 not size flags, not size flags. Nope, 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 nope. Let's look at the documentation here. Size. Okay, let's check and see. Is there a way to get a, what kind is this? A panel container. Okay, when all said and done, if I change the text in here, in this message text, boom, 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 boom. Right. So if I go to message container, 470. Whoa! Seriously? 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 Boom. Okay. So that changes it. Panel container. Allowed size flags, no. Fit child and rec. Okay, so a panel container in Godot, do I need to await before I can get the new size? Let's see. Let's see what if there's a good way to ask that. Godot for 3 panel container. All right, let's move this over here. Move this over here. Codex, what is up? How you doing? Things are going pretty well. I'm just trying to figure out something here. No, by all means, that's what the commands are for. I think you might be the first person to have ever used it. Use that one. All right, let's see. I'm trying to figure out. Okay, panel blah 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 blah. Codex, it's going to be up on the computer, but it's here. I'll show you. I mean, I'll show you the quick version of it. Basically, I'm just going to have an app window like that, but it's going to be the program running. So right now, I've already got a Godot overlay running. But it's completely transparent. But when I get new follows, new raids, I think that's it for now. Things happen on it, but what I have been able to accomplish here is if I go to the chat container. Is it gonna? I don't know if this is gonna actually work because we changed the chat around. Probably not. But we're we're putting everything into this layout. Why? Why? Let's see which one of these. Okay, there's something in here. Something in here. Hold on. Hold on. It's not telling me. It's not telling me which thing it is that's causing this, and I want to hunt it down. But it's not. Static Body 3D. Hold on. Remote. Gonna be somewhere in 3D. Somewhere in 3D world. Wait, there's only one. There's only one static body. 582. No, this is weird. This is weird. Okay, why did that one come through? The Wogers came through. Wait, is it going through twice? Yeah, it is. And none of them are correct. $78, $79, $80. But okay, where was I? I completely have derailed. Sorry, I was trying to track down an issue that was showing up here in the debugger. I don't know which one it is, and this. Oh. All shape. Shape 3D. Yeah. There. Let's see if this does the thing. Okay. Okay. Unless that is the it's still fitting into the minimum. I mean, it's better than showing like 5,000. But let's see. You know, looking at the full. Yeah, 378. Let's do some. Damn it. No, that didn't do it either. $79 is the size. And the text item. And the wrapper size. At least the wrapper size is like staying consistent. Codex, yeah, I know what you mean. I do know what you mean because I wouldn't say no, I've been neglecting everything that I was excited for. Because I wanted to get back to, or to get more comfortable with stuff. This container. Still no. All right, one more time with this long ass message here. Let's look at the remote. All right, look at local container. I'm gonna do a vertical expand. I think let's try to reset it here. No. All right. It might be time to ask our friend Claude. We've tried what we can. Well, let me verify what I'm saying here. Rigid body here. Message container. Nope, that's not getting it. Heading wrapper is that. Panel container here. Text wrapper. Codex, I think it might be, and that's why I do have in the script, but I could be wrong, but I do have in the script here to await get tree process frame before trying to get the size. Hey, don't be sorry. No sorries. You are attempting to help, and I appreciate that. That means a lot to me. I'm flat out just learning in general and trying new things. It's probably not the best way to do it, where I'm just like, full speed ahead. let's just make shit. But at the same time, it's pretty fun to just be like, full steam ahead. Let's make shit. Never really full steam ahead. It's more like full steam ahead. Oh shit, I don't know what I'm doing. Hold on. Let's back up and let's think about what I'm trying to accomplish here. I've made a terrible mistake. I'm going back to the ambulance. The inspector, I can see that the size is being altered when I change the what? Okay, so Q redraw. All right. So here we go. Codex here. I only understood like 30% of the words that you just typed out. On. I like that one. I know that one. Adaptive. I think I got that one. And I'm comfortable with and. Gotcha. I love both of those games. All right, so here's what it's suggesting. Wait 2 frames to ensure updates. Or use custom minimum size to ensure that it combined minimum size. I don't know what that is, but we'll check it out. Yeah. This is container Q redraw. Now, does this return anything void? No. Codex, my tax returns this year are going to be hopefully very good because, well, I didn't work for most of the year, but taxes were still taken out the time that I did work for the amount that I should have made working full time. So I'm thinking I should get quite a bit back. I'm hoping. All right. So we did a little changey here. Q redraw. Oh wait, get tree. Okay, there is the no, okay. My first CD purchase was Alapalooza. Oh, no. Okay, this doesn't seem to be working the way that I thought it would. A Deadpool. Wow, that tracks. To the hold on to the text. To the text isn't changing at all, even after the changes to the text. I can ensure that after the children of the container are edited with new text, that the parent container Hypnotic, what is up? How you doing? Codex, so a while back, I worked at a retail store, and a couple of months out of the year, they would do a competition or an incentive to see who could get the most people to apply for a store credit card. Yes, it was predatory. Yes, I was much younger, but you know, and I was like number one by far, like leaps and bounds above everybody else. And the giveaway was every week. And it got to a point where I was just like, all right, what's my prize this week? And like, well, our prizes are a CD player or cordless phone. I'm like, I've already got both of those. Come on, give me something good. Like, no, these are the prizes we planned on. Fine. So I had like three of the same Discman and three of the same cordless phone. They weren't compatible. I didn't even need a landline, but I had them. Here's a screen cap of the node tree. You know, I think I'm gonna snooze these ads. Gonna snooze these ads. I think. Hold on. I need to. Ooh. That was my Mac. Shit. Shit. All right. Well, I'm gonna just keep talking through the ads. Shout out. Hypnotic, I'll get you a shout out here too. Hope you're doing well. Hope the game jam is jamming. Oh, Codex, back in those days, I mean, I was working on commission. It was Sears, right? And I could sell a ketchup popsicle to a woman wearing white gloves if I wanted to at the back at that time. Not anymore. But I okay. Ads. I am, because it's going to be the last ad break, I'm just going to keep talking. I'm just going to keep on talking. And then we're going to rate out after the ads. Ooh. State mode, always. Let's take little bitty changes here. Little bitty changes. Little bitty changes. Okay, there's that. Let's do a bigger one. Bigger one here. No, not yet. All right, so we need more changes. More changes. Big Orly. Ads are running, so yeah. Yeah, ads are running. Don't worry though. Don't worry though. I'll refund those. I have some things turned off if ads are running. But I'm talking through the ads because I meant to snooze. Okay, make sure all the container have the correct size. Flags. Size fill, size fill, size fill. I'm not using anchors. Okay, so we'll try these steps here. One at a time. One at a time. Text wrapper, text wrapper. Ooh. Ooh, I think I need to Codex, you're not the only one. I mean, this well, I guess it queued up instead of just not working. I wish I hadn't give you those points back. Yep. Save it. Refresh. Okay, not that one, not that one, not that one. Nothing. Not yet. Okay, so that was step one of the suggestions. Okay, what did I just add here? Custom minimum size, layout update, proper size, viewport size. Custom minimum size, layout update, proper size, viewport size. Everything but this, basically. Man, the man. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. I'm still on it. We have a path kind of forward, kind of. All right, so that has progress. That promise. That has a little bit of promise here. And I think that something might be. Okay. Look at that. But it's not quite right. Not quite right. So something that's a container, custom minimum size. No, I don't want to reset these. All right, let's change the minimum sizes here, because that's part of the problem, right? I blame you. I hate the fact that I have to, like, keep doing this. But okay, let's reset. Let's reset. Backing it up. Backing it up. One more lorem ipsum bullshit. No. Sorry about spamming my own chat here, but there's no way. Okay. Here we go. Wait. It didn't do anything. It didn't do anything there. Oh no. Oh no. I know what I did here. I'm changing things, but I'm not in the right thing. Okay, so there's that. Boom. All right, so it's getting like way too big. I don't know. I can't even tell. I wish I could like see in the remote here. Like there's a thing, sub viewport, but you can't see the sub viewport. Right, you can't see sub viewport, which is upsetting. Custom minimum size. Oh no. Oh no. Get combined. What is get combined? Minimum size. Oh. I don't think this is what I want. I don't think that reset size is what I want here. That's also not what I want. God damn it. Okay, sub viewport size. This is container size, but Mrs. Container size is the custom minimum size is killing me here. What if I do the heading wrapper? And panel container. So like the whole message wrapper should be a combination of, let's see, 40, 274. Ooh. Wait, 40 and 274. 314. It's still not right, but that is, there's no way in hell that's big enough. No way in hell. So, I really wish I could easily see like what's here. But it's not updating here. All right. I don't know if I'm going to be able to figure this out tonight, because this just isn't really, it's not sitting right. I'm not sitting right, because the text, it's there. It's there. Scroll active. No. Okay. Wait, maybe that will. No. All right. Maybe we need to change some stuff over in this, the local, about that. Make sure it fit content. Okay. Yeah, we do want to fit content. All right, that's the what change did I make? 4.98. Okay, there. So that is that's working. That is connecting. But we can't really see this stuff. That makes it difficult. Like, okay. Let's just did that change? Yeah, that changed it to 440. All right. We're gonna call it. We're gonna call it. Who's up? Um, 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 um. Who is this? Is this somebody new? We might go someplace completely new tonight. Someplace completely new. Somebody who's been on for a long time, but
So
let's see.
that was pretty simple. More weapons plus health available for buying weapon. Okay, so the health available we just did. We just did that one. Good. Trying to think.
All right, we're gonna raid over to right side movement. I don't know anything about him. Just somebody that I saw. Another software and game development. Also doing music, doing stuff in EDM and Twitch integration, which looks really cool. So I'm really excited to see what they're doing.
Menu. Names for the game rooms. I think that's
so,
like advanced sessions. That might be a whole nother plugin that I don't necessarily want to even
folks on
try
YouTube,
yet
we're gonna say goodbye now. If you haven't already sub, please.
It could be bad.
Take care.